In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Google Docs, whether you're creating a simple diagram, highlighting a section with a call out, or enhancing your document with visual elements. Adding shapes can really help bring your document to life. Let's go through this process together step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Docs. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter Google Docs into the search bar. Click on the Google Docs link to go to the main page. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign in with your Google account to access your documents. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, open the document where you'd like to add a shape. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new document using the blank option. With your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options here, but you'll want to focus on one in particular, the Insert menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, hover over Drawing and select Plus New. This action opens a drawing window where you'll be able to create and manipulate your shapes. Once the drawing window pops up, you'll see a toolbar filled with different functions. One of the icons, the one that looks like a circle and square overlapping, represents the Shape function. Click on the Shape icon and you'll see several categories pop up: shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. Hover over any of these categories to see the shapes available for selection. Click on any shape that fits your need, and then click in the drawing window to place it. After you've dropped the shape onto the canvas, you'll probably want to customize it according to your preferences. The toolbar at the top of the drawing window offers options to modify the appearance of your shape. You can change the fill color, which alters the inside color of the shape. You can also tweak the border color and width to either highlight or soften the edges. If you need the shape to be a specific size or proportions, use the sizing handles that appear when you click on the shape to adjust it to your liking. Once you're satisfied with how your shape looks, it's time to integrate it into your document. In the top right corner of the drawing window, you'll find the Save and Close button. Clicking this will insert your newly created shape directly into your Google Doc. And there you have it. A simple, efficient way to add shapes to your Google Docs, making your documents more informative and visually appealing. This tool is especially useful for creating flowcharts, labeling diagrams, or even just giving your work a more professional look. Enjoy experimenting with different shapes and customizations, and watch as your documents transform from plain to polished.